Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kafayat and I'm so glad you are here. If you are new, you are absolutely welcome. On this channel, I share easy to follow recipes, handy cooking hacks, and essential baking tips to help you enjoy your time in the kitchen. I upload new videos twice a week, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos with friends and family. And be sure to turn on your notification bell so you will always be the first to know when I post something new. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a Nigerian classic, the delicious buttery and savory meat pie. It is a perfect snack or meal, whether you are hosting guests or treating yourself. I'll be guiding you step by step, so even if you're a beginner, you'll find this recipe super easy to follow. So without wasting so much time, grab your ingredients and let's get started. In your pan, add a little bit amount of oil or melted butter. Start by heating the pan over a medium heat and adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. If you like a richer flavor, you can decide to use melted butter. Allow the oil to heat for about a minute, and once the oil is warm, you can add in your roughly chopped onions and saute for about 1 minute. The aroma of sauteing onions always signals that something delicious is on the way. Next, add in the minced meat. Break it up with a spatula as it cooks to ensure there are no large chunks. Stir continuously until the meat browns evenly. After the meat is getting cooked, season with salt, pepper, curry, thyme and seasoning cubes. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure the meat absorbs all the flavors. Add a little water to the pan, just enough to keep everything moist. Then, toss in your diced carrots and potatoes. Stir well and allow to cook for extra 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can check if the potato and carrots are tender. If not, add a little more water and let it cook for another minute or two. Once the vegetables are soft, add in the flour slurry. This helps to thicken the mixture and gives it a creamy consistency. Stir everything together. Let it cook for another minute and then transfer the filling to a flat plate to cool. While the filling cools, let's prepare the dough. The dough is what makes the meat pie flaky and delicious, and here is what you need. We need 400 grams of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 200 grams of cold butter cut into small cubes, and 1 large egg. You can use cold water as needed. So in a mixing bowl, we'll combine our flour, salt, baking powder, sugar. Give it a quick mix to evenly distribute the ingredients. Add the cold butter and use your fingertips or a pastry cutter to mix it into the flour until the texture resembles breadcrumbs. If you watched this far, thank you so much for your time and your support. Please remember to subscribe, like and share this video with others. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will never miss any updates. Crack an egg into the mixture and gradually add small amounts of cold water. Be careful not to overknead. It should be soft and slightly crumbly. Divide it into 8 equal pieces. Roll out each piece on a floured surface into a thin round shape. If you have a meat pie cutter, you can place the dough on it. But if not, you can decide to cut out the meat pie into a round shape by yourself and then fold it into a half moon. Follow the process as you see me doing like so in the video. Assemble the meat pie on a line baking tray. Generously brush with egg wash. This will give them a golden shining effect. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. Keep an eye on them as they bake because ovens are different and you don't want them to overcook. Once they are out of the oven, let the meat pie cool slightly before serving. Just look at that golden flaky crust. It's buttery, crispy, and perfectly complements the savory filling inside. Thanks for watching and bye. Make sure you try it and share it in the comment section with us. Hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye.